Hello everyone, we'll be doing the fifth activity for class 6 today. The vertically opposite angles found by two intersecting lines are equal. The aim of the activity is to verify the vertically opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines are equal. What is the pre-acquired knowledge for this? We need to know about the concept of angles, the concept of intersecting lines, concept of vertically opposite angles, and the concept of equal angles. What about the material required? We'll be needing the origami sheets, the pencil, ruler, fevistick, black sketch pen, and scissors. Let us come to the procedure now. Now, the first step is that on a sheet of paper, I'll be drawing two intersecting lines, AB and CD, intersecting at point O. So this is how we'll be taking one colored sheet, and on this colored sheet, I have drawn two lines, AB and CD, intersecting at point O. Let us see the second step. The second step is mark a pair of vertically opposite angles. Now, what are the vertically opposite angles? You all should be knowing that when two lines are intersecting, AB and CD, then angle AOC and BOD form a pair of vertically opposite angles, and angle AOD and angle COD also form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So I take the first pair, AOC I mark it, and BOD, this pair I have marked, right? What is the third step? The third step is that color the marked angle AOC and cut it off. So I just simply color it off with any color and I cut out this. Now I take the scissors and I cut it out from here. So this is how I'll be removing this black colored portion I'll be removing. So what is the next step to be done? The next step is that I will remove this cut portion. Place the cut portion over angle BOD. So I'll remove this and put it over BOD in such a way such that the arm OA of angle AOC coincides with the arm OB of the angle BOD. Let us try to do that. So I've removed this portion. When I remove it, I'll be left with this white portion that is going to be left out after removing the black cutout portion. Now what I'll do is I will just simply invert it. I will invert it like this. Invert it and I'll put it over here such that the arm OA of the angle AOC falls on the arm OB of angle BOD. So now clearly you can see that this angle AOC that was removed from here, if I am putting it over here, it is just completely covering angle BOD completely, right? Now, so what is the observation? Now this will be your pasting work. You will just remove this cutout portion and you will put it over here on angle BOD, right? Now, what is the observation? We observe that the cut part of angle AOC, completely covers angle BOD. So we can say that 1 is completely covering angle 2. That means 1 and 2 are equal. Exactly same way, if the process is repeated taking angle AOD and angle BOC, then we will observe that the cut part of angle AOD will completely cover angle BOC. That means angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So this is the observation. Let us come to the conclusion. Because we have seen that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, we can say that these were what? These were the vertically opposite angles. So we conclude from this activity that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So I hope you have understood the activity. Do the pasting work neatly. This is your pasting work and I have already told you what is the aim, what is the pre-acquired knowledge, what is the material required, the procedure, observation and the conclusion. Thank you so much.